How to log in into your Capitec Bank. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for Capitec Bank Login. You will be landing on this page. In here, tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to the very first one, Online Banking. It will land you on the official page of Capitec. Now at the very top, click on Sign In. Choose whether it's your personal banking account or the business account. Well, I have created personal online banking, so tap on personal online banking over here and wait for a while for it to load. It will lead you to this page. In this page, what you want to do is you have to first of all enter your account number or the username of your account. Once you have entered the account number or the username, tap on continue and then enter the password that you have created before. Once you enter your login credentials, tap on sign in and you'll be successfully signed in to your specific account and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your Capitec Bank account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.